Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet a very lucky necklace. This project is very easy and quick to do, so it's perfect for the beginners. For this project I use a cotton yarn basic looks from Mondial. You can find more information in the description box. And a 4mm hook. I will use this kit from Prim. Then of course a necklace. This is about 50 centimeters or 20 inches, and some rings. To create the lucky 4-leaf clover, first chain 5. And now insert the hook into the first chain, do a slip stitch to create a ring. So now chain 1, do not count as a stitch, then we do 1 single crochet into the ring. So now chain 5, then we do 1 single crochet into the ring. And repeat this 3 more times. So remember, chain 5, then we do 1 single crochet into the ring. Chain 5, then we do 1 single crochet into the ring. Chain 5, then we do 1 single crochet into the ring. So now we have 4 5 chain space. Now do a slip stitch into the ring, because now we are ready to create the stem. So now chain 7. Then we do 1 slip stitch into the second chain from hook and do 1 slip stitch into the following chains. So now we have 6 slip stitch for the stem, and now we are going to work into each chain 5 space. So we do 1 slip stitch into the first single crochet here. So we do a slip stitch, then we move directly into the first chain 5 space, where we do 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, two double crochets, so now chain 2, then we do 1 single crochet, chain 2, then we do 2 double crochets, then we do 1 half double crochet, then we do 1 single crochet to complete the first petal. And of course, now we're going to repeat this into the each 5 chain space of the previous row. First, do a slip stitch into the single crochet of the previous row, then move directly into the next space here, where we do 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 1 single crochet, chain 2, then 2 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. And the second petal is now complete. Do a slip stitch into the single crochet of the previous row and repeat this until the end of this row. And now do a slip stitch into the base of the stem, into this stitch here, to complete the locket 4-leaf clover. And now grab your tapestry needle, then weave the tails inside the work. So now the locket 4-leaf clover is done. So all we have to do now is to create the necklace. So grab the ring and with the help of the pliers open the ring, then insert it between 2 petals, then close it. And then grab the second ring and insert it into the first ring, then grab the necklace, then close the second ring. And the project is done and ready to wear. So it's very, very easy. This project is a great gift for yourself, your daughters, as well as for friends and family members. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your good luck necklace. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!